Okay, here I go. Here goes nothing. Oh god. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sukanya.
I'm Elfina again.
And we're at Elfina's house.
Yes.
And today we're gonna try chicken feet.
Yes.
And I'm terrified and I'm petrified and I don't know what to do. Help me.
And don't worry, I'm making her try the chicken feet in front of the camera so that you guys can enjoy her expression.
So if you're wondering,
I know I mean.
this is what it looks like. It's in a soupy broth. What is the soup made up of?
Chicken feet,
The
beans, pork, and dried oyster.
Okay. And chicken feet is a huge thing here. I've spoken to a lot of people who love eating it. I don't understand it. You please tell me, why do people eat chicken feet?
Because chicken feet is rich in protein and collagen. And then Chinese believe that chicken feet will be good for your feet and also skin because of the collagen.
Okay.
She will try this.
I don't want to. Okay. I want to try the soup first. I will like the soup, I'm sure. I'm scared to say anything bad because her grandmom made it. So I have to like the soup, even if I don't like the chicken feet. I'm petrified.
Don't think about the chicken feet, it's just soup.
But the chicken soup is also made up of the stock from the chicken feet.
You have to finish the chicken feet anyway.
I'm not finishing the chicken feet. We will see how it goes.
I just can't wait. I just can't wait to see her expressions. Try to trust me, the soup is good.
Okay. Okay, here goes the soup.
Actually, it's a Cantonese type of soup.
Okay, it's nice. It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's not the kind of food that I like, but it's nice.
Yeah.
Like, I'm trying new things, so unfamiliar flavor, but nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the main part. I'm just
Chicken feet.
I don't understand.
I will help you.
Help what? What I don't understand is just bones.
It's not just bones.
It's just bones.
It's skins and
bones.
collagen.
See, can you see? It's bones.
A few moments later.
Finish the fingers.
Okay, say 1, 2, 3 and I'll eat.
1, 2, 3.
No, that was too fast.
1, 2.
No, slowly. Okay, build up the tension.
1,
No, don't.
2, 3.
Okay, done. Okay, that's it. It's not bad. It's very chewy. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Like, I can understand
Actually,
this in like
you
a...
can finish the soft bones here.
Yeah, like, if I can understand this. The soup is also nice and I can understand this in a spicy sauce. It's just something that I've never had and I'm very unfamiliar with. And it's just something I never thought that I'd ever eat. So, that's why it scares me. But I conquered it. I'm very happy. Are you proud of me?
No.
Sorry for the messy setup, but yeah, hope you like the video and hope you like chicken feet.
And I'm still eating my chicken feet.
Yeah, and tell me if you've ever eaten chicken feet. Comment down below. Tell me if you've ever eaten chicken feet, if you like chicken feet, or what other exotic things that you've eaten. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.